Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can do about factorization by white. Next, this one that is about identities. Next, we need to simplify x minus y, x minus y. Next, this one they are the same degrees, so this is about homogeneous. So we need to put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we have number 1 y we change by vs. This one that is about this one. So we divide by s on numerator and denominator. So I will put v go to the right. So we can do common denominator. So this one we have v plus v square. So v minus v. So this one negative of v square. So we have negative v square. So this one I will put on the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So 1 divided by v square, v divided by v square. So the integration of this one that is about negative 1 over v. This one that is about Ln of the absolute value of v. This one we have negative Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by s. Now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.